Okay. The question said find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to s cubed minus 4s plus 1 at the point 2, 3. Select the solution. So to find the equation of every line, we need the gradient before we can find it. But we're given y to be equal to s cubed minus 4s plus 1. So we are going to differentiate this one to get the gradient function. So differentiating this one dy ds, which means that we are going to differentiate y with respect to s. This one will give us 3s squared minus 4. So this is the gradient function. So to find the numerical value, we put the s coordinates into the gradient function to find the value of what. So it will be 2 squared minus 4. So this will give us 3 into bracket 4 minus 4. This will be 12 minus 4. Then the gradient will be what? That will be 8. Now, the equation of the tangent is giving us what? y minus y1 is equal to what? The m, which is the gradient, into bracket s minus s1. So at this point, we know the y1, which is giving the points as 3, s1, which is 2, and the gradient is 8. So it will be y minus 3 is equal to 8 into bracket s minus 2. So y minus 3, this will give us what? 8s minus what? 16. y minus y will be equal to 8x minus 16 plus 3. So y will be equal to what? 8x minus 30. So this is the equation of the tangent, or you can leave it in the form y minus 8s plus 13 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of the tangent. Now let's find for the equation of the normal. So the equation of the normal. The equation of the normal is the same as this one, but for the gradient is the negative reciprocal of what? The tangent. So it's giving us what? Y minus y1 is equal to negative 1 out of m all over what? X minus s1. We know y1 already, which is 3, is equal to negative 1 over 8 by s minus 2. Then we have y minus 3. This will be equal to negative s over 8 plus 2 over what? 2 over 8. Then y minus 3 will be equal to negative x over 8 plus 1 over 4. Is that okay? Now, at this point, we are going to multiply through by the LCM. So the LCM in this case is what? Is 8. So 8 multiply y minus 3 is equal to 8 into bracket negative s over 8 plus 8 into bracket 1 over 4. This one will cancel these two. This one will cancel this. Then you have 8y minus 24 is equal to negative s plus 2. So 8y minus 24 plus s minus 2 is equal to 0. 8y plus x minus 26 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the normal of the curve given to us.